To my right, I need rain check. We have Colin with Kezar versus rain check. All right, y'all, so here's what we're going to do. Let's try to get off the dance floor if possible.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, if you're not competing, we can get you off the floor. That'd be great. There's some room over here. Follow my voice.
See if you can wipe that area. That's how.
Yeah, we still want to make sure we're able to maneuver in this space, all right, y'all? So, again, be mindful of your bags. Cheer. But make sure it's just the five or whoever's competing on the dance floor. All right, that's it. Columns and Keys, are y'all ready?
Towels for the Hyatt Regency. Hyatt Regency, can you sponsor this jam?
Rain check, y'all ready?
Need some towels.
All right, all right. Crowd, are y'all ready? All right, judges, are y'all ready? All right. Just Jones, are you ready? Crowd, are you ready? I said, crowd, are you ready? All right, Just Jones, drop that beat. Here we go. 5 rounds. All right, crowd, can we get a slow clap? Clap, y'all. Clap. Put those hands together. Come on. Let's get that energy up, y'all. Let's welcome these B-boys and B-girls to some love and some empathy. Let's embrace them, y'all. Here we go. Round 1. San Jose's very own Scarface. Here we go. Come on, y'all. Like you can hold the hands in like that. Make some noise, y'all. Come on.
Yup. Nice.
Yo, my microphone, my musical madness, moving motivate those physical talents.
Yo, it's a little quiet out there. Come on, y'all. Round 1.
The beats, bubble with the beat, feeling the heat in the streets. Now each one, done, on one. Listen to the warriors drum. Beating up the block with the middle hot and knock and make you put a rap spot and a lock.
Where's my crowd at? Here we go.
Super syllable, major to the minimal. Every individual, bound to the table, yo. Lost, collapse, and rap in. The only way to make it happen, jaw jabbing fast, yo. I'm a hot dog, the line hot is
Nice. Round 2.
My speech is like holding 2 blocks apiece. The outreach that rock police. The super Avenger.
Oh, yeah.
We write the any when to get hype off any printer. And I came to get it, hit it. Like Operation Push, Operation Touch, Black Octopus, the soul. And then the terror trying to control. Behold, it's the rubber dog, ready to rock. Don't stop, hops, I knock like the lumberjack chop. The worst man, right block, let us a curse, serve the surface. And watch how the brother get hurt.
Round 2.
With the frankincense, the juice. I got enough to go around. And the thought takes
Y'all know the words, come on.
I grew up on the sidewalk while on the street talk. Cause they talk of off New York. I go to Queens for Queens to get the food from Brooklyn. They money in Manhattan and never been choking. Go uptown to the Bronx and boogie down the strong on the island of the coast to lay around. Time to build my juice back up. Pop that up. Suckers get smacked up. Don't doubt the clout. They know what I'm about. Knocking niggas off.
Round 3.
Knocking niggas out. Shaking them up. Waking them up. Breaking them up. Breaking them up. Standing on shaky ground. Too close to the edge. Let's see if I know the ledge. Shorty's here. I did cocked in the 40s to beer. Here's a sip with a group that's deceased. If I get best, then they better be. Somebody got a self, I just might spare one. You give a brother a fair one. Stay alert on these. And I do work with these like Hercules.
Round 3.
The right draw, I don't like door. I'm hype for night floor. Smooth, but I move like an army. Putting you down, case brothers try to follow me. Putting brothers to rest like Elliot Ness. Because I don't like stress. Streets ain't a place for
Yo, my crowd still with me out there. Come on, y'all. Show these dancers some love.
Black Gambino, got like a hero. Living on shaky ground, too close to the edge. Let's
Round 4.
life is lost. I paid my dues, paid the cost. And my pocket is still back. Whenever I'm mad, I can be mad. Whenever I'm cool, sweet, the love deep.
Round 4.
Don't say goodbye, I don't plan to die. Cause I get loose, and I got truths. And crazy juice, keep the truth.
Oh yeah. Yo, where's my soul clap out there? Come on, y'all. This is hip hop. Ah. Final round. Talk to 'em, crowd. Come on, let them know. Ooh.
I take the hit, but you can't from double.
Final round, here we go.
Ultimate and all that good shit. I'm the original Asian addict, acrobatic, they can have it, like it's dramatic. Create drama when I'm on the scene, and I pack a many mean like Bruce Springsteen. I provide the style, smile, and meanwhile, put on trial, a rap pile, and exile. Make it tumble and stumble, and a rumble just crumble, and I'm still calm and humble.
Make some noise. We can do better than that. Round of applause for these two crews, y'all. By the way, crews, we're only taking the top 8. So, all right, next up to my right.